Hey divas, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a demo and a review of this new Magic Touch concealer by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so we are going to be testing out this concealer, but I do want to share with you guys like what I'm using for my base and everything, just so you guys kind of know like what's underneath and all that stuff. So to prime, of course I already did my skincare routine. I will have a video on makeup skin prep pretty soon here, but anyways, to prime my skin I'm going to be using the Benefit Professional Primer. I chose to use this primer because I feel like it plays well with most foundations, so I just decided to go ahead and choose this one for today. I think it will be a really good choice for the concealer as well as the foundation. So now that I have on my brows, I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I'm gonna kind of speed through this part, but I am using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous foundation, and this one is in 500C. This is a little bit light for me at the moment, so I'm going to be mixing it with my NARS. This one is, which one is this? Okay, so this is a Natural Radiant Longwear foundation, and this one is in Guacu. So now that we're done with the foundation, we're gonna jump right into the star of the show, which is this concealer. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills' new Magic Touch concealer, and today I have her in the color number 23, okay? So I'm super excited to try this out and see how it is. Honestly, I did try it out because I have been home, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it out. So I already have like an opinion about it because I wanted to come and be able to give you guys a full review. But yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and apply it. So this is how it comes. How rude of me. So this is how it comes in the package. So very sleek and standard, as Anastasia is known for. They have their signature logo on there, and then you also get the information about your concealer on there, which is always really good, and you kind of get a little sneak peek down here. Also comes with a Duffel applicator, so that's really good for application when you want to apply it in your highlighting area. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it, and then I will get into all of its claims and my review and everything once I am done with my face. Oh no, I said I'm going to come back after I blend out my entire face and have my entire face done, but I did want to note that it is very easy to blend. I am using a smaller, dense type of concealer brush. This is the Real Techniques Insta Pop Shade brush, and I really do like it because I feel like it gives me full control underneath the eye, and it also helps me with my nose contour and everything like that. I do love the way that it blends seamlessly into the skin, and it's not giving me a lot of creasage, so I really do like that. So I just wanted to come in and kind of tell you guys like how the blend is and everything. So yeah, it's going really well, so that's good. To set the concealer, I am going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Setting Powder, and this one is in Deep Peach. Okay, so now I have my full face applied. I did use for my lips, in case you're wondering, the lip combo. I did use MAC Chestnut along with Kinkster or Kingster. I forgot what it's called, but something like that. But anyways, let's go ahead and talk about this concealer. So I'm gonna go into talking about its claims, and then I'm going to tell you guys like how I feel about it and what it did for me. Okay, so I'm just gonna read it straight from the site. So it says Magic Touch Concealer by Anastasia Beverly Hills is a lightweight creamy formula that melts into your skin to correct, brighten, blur, and conceal while blending into a natural second skin finish. It delivers buildable medium to full coverage while light reflecting ingredients create a soft focus effect. So I will say that all of their claims are true. I really do love how this just does not crease underneath the eyes, because most of the time concealers definitely do that for me and I cannot stand it. But yeah, so like it really does give you that like flawless look. It is a really lightweight type of thing. I did add a little bit more because I wanted more coverage underneath the eyes. That's just personal preference, you don't have to do that, but I did go ahead and add like a little bit more coverage. But it looks really good. I love how lightweight it is, because as I mentioned, like I did add a lot, so usually it can become cakey, but as you guys can see, it's giving like a smooth blurred type of effect, and I feel like it works really well with their powder as well. So overall, I really do like this. I feel like it's really nice. At first I thought this was going to be like more so of a color corrector color for me, but I really love the way that it looks as a highlighting color. But yeah, overall I really do like it. I hope that you guys can see that it is giving me like that flawless soft focus blurred type of effect, and I am really here for it. Like I'm really liking this. Like seriously, you guys, I was really surprised. I was like like let's see what it's gonna do, but I really do like it. I wasn't too surprised because I really love their foundation, so I kind of knew that they were gonna come with it with the complexion, because we actually really know them for concealers and highlight, like that, or concealer and contour kits. That's what they came out with. So I wasn't really too shocked when they came out with an amazing concealer. So yeah, I am here for this. I would definitely say to go ahead and try it if you are curious. If you're around my shade, 23 will work perfect for you for highlighting. As you can see, like it's not giving that super bright effect, but I feel like it's bright enough to the point where you can, you know, still get the highlighted effect without doing too much. I don't like making it too light underneath my eyes because I feel like it throws off the balance of like my brownness and kind of wash me out. So yeah, overall I'm really here for it. I really do love this concealer. It works really amazing, and I'm definitely going to be using it very often. But yeah, divas, if you guys are interested in this concealer, I will have the link in the description box below. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below if you have any comments, questions, or concerns. Let me know, did you pick up this concealer, or are you planning to pick up this concealer? And if so, how was your experience? Or just let me know, just talk to me. I would love to communicate with you fabulous divas. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.